I have a lot of PowerPoints in our Moodle. I wanted to show you how to print those in case you were interested in doing that. So when you pull up your PowerPoint, you can just click that on the screen if you'd like to, but sometimes students like to print the PowerPoint and have paper to write down things as we go through the video and so on and so forth. So if you were interested in printing, you can come up here to the File button, and you can hit Print. My computer's slow. Okay, so when you hit Print, it's set up right now to do full page slides, and I wouldn't recommend that. That's going to eat up a lot of paper for you. I like to do maybe, if you're going to take notes on it, maybe do 3 slides on a page. Okay, so it gives you the picture over here, and then it gives you some room to write and everything over there. If I'm doing it for my personal use, I don't write notes. I just need them to glance at. Okay, so if you're not interested in taking notes, but you just want printouts, to be able to glance back at some examples and stuff when you're working your homework, you can do 6 slides. Okay, and it'll cram 6 different slides on a page, but you can see that they took out the room to write. Okay, I might even do 9 slides on a page. They're going to be tinier, but it does give you, fewer pages to work with there. So it's up to you, however you want to print it. And if you don't want to print all of them, if you just want to print, the first 6 or something, you can go in and change, just write down what slides you want to do everything with. There's some, depending on your printer, you can do 2-sided, and so on and so forth. So whatever you need to do there, you can. I just wanted to show you could put more than just 1 slide on a page. Okay. 4 slides is kind of nice because it doesn't give you lines to write on, but it still gives you a lot of room up and top and, around the slides that you can still write on as well. So that's it. Thank you.